psychiatrist, and I'm chair of or president of the Global Psychiatric Association. And we're very grateful that Professor Surjit Kaur, who is now chairman of our organization, can present the content of the oncoming conference. And Surjit, please go ahead with your explanation.
Good evening, everyone. I invite you all to this 5th annual conference of the Global Psychiatric Association. And this conference is the 5th consecutive year where we are holding this conference in the online forum. This conference will be held on the 12th and 13th of September 2025. On both the days, the conference will be held in the online forum in the June platform between 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time to 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time both the days. Actually, in the day one, the conference will be from 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time to 10:30 of Indian Standard Time. So all total of 8 hours 30 minutes in 2 days. So if you are attending this conference, you need to check your local time, which is coinciding with the conference time. This is Friday and Saturday, the weekends. In the day one, we have 8 invited lectures, each lasting for 30 minutes. The 25 minutes of presentation and 5 minutes of discussion. In the day two, we have 6 invited lectures. Again, 30 minutes each. 25 minutes presentation and 5 minute discussion and 1 symposium we are having in the day 2. And we are encouraging the speakers to submit their abstract, which can be published in the Global Psychiatric Association journal, that is Global Psychiatry Archives. The speakers who confirmed their participation in the conference in the day 1, Professor Vikas Menon from India, Jipmer Pondicherry, will be presenting on suicide crisis syndrome. He will be the first speaker. The second speaker will be Professor Sushanta Kumar Sahoo, who is a neurosurgeon, who will be talking about scope of neuromodulation following traumatic brain injury and brain surgery. It is followed by the presentation of Dr. Rohit Walwaikar, who will be talking about non-psychotropic management in neurodevelopmental disorders, followed by presentation of Ms. Deblina Roy, will be talking about psychosocial intervention in burn survivors. The subsequent presentation will be by Dr. Monika Thakur. She will be talking about mental health aspect of breast cancer patients, followed by the presentation of Ibrahim Kira, who will be talking about collective and personal coping to targeted genocide and to its emotional and cognitive impact, the Halabja case. Another presentation that follows this one is by Dr. Michael B. Riba. We'll be talking about psychiatric issues in palliative care and terminal illness. And the last presentation of the day 1 will be by Dr. Juan Gaitan. We'll be talking about precision psychiatry way ahead. This is the end of day 1's program. The day 2 will start with the first presentation that will be delivered by Dr. Rishabh Gupta, who will be talking about role of ketamine and esketamine in psychiatric disorders, followed by the presentation of Dr. Maheshwar Satpathy, who will be talking about reimagining global mental health, decolonization and health systems strengthening in action towards accelerated human capital and capability development in the global south. This will be followed by the presentation of Dr. Worth, who will be talking about prevalence of gender-based violence and factors associated with help seeking among university students in sub-Saharan Africa. This will be followed by the presentation of Dr. Surbhi Chatterjee, who will be talking about artificial intelligence used by the medical students and Indian perspective. After that, the 4th session will be having a symposium where Dr. Vipul Janardhan and Dr. Gaurav Uppal will be talking about 2 different dimensions of war and mental health, which is a very current, relevant topic, and actually it is matching with the theme of the conference. It is followed by the presentation by Dr. Juan Gaitan, who will be talking about management in a psychiatric private practice. The last presentation of the conference is by Dr. Param Iswaran Ramakrishnan, who will be talking about evidence-based understanding of the transcendence, spirit, soul, mind continuum towards a pedagogy for training psychiatrists as healers of the soul and mind. So this will be the agenda for this Global Psychiatric Association conference. Uh, the speakers are from different parts of the globe, uh, and the topic is quite relevant for the mental health practice, policy and program making. Uh, there are some important persons who agreed to chair and moderate the sessions. Professor Renardun, Dr. Daria Ahmed from Iraq, Dr. S.M. Yasir Arafat from Bangladesh, myself, Dr. Shruti Sinha, Dr. Rasmi Shukla, and Dr. Vikas Menon, they are the person from India. They agreed to chair and moderate different sessions of this conference. So I invite you all to this important conference, Global Milk, and we'll be sharing this presentation in the online form, as well as we are sharing the registration form in the online platform. You can register for this conference. This is exclusively free, or there is no registration fee for attending the conference. And but if you want a certificate of participation, it is with a nominal charge, and the registration is mandatory for participating in the conference. So again, I welcome you all to join this conference in the September 12th and 13th of September. They are Friday and Saturday in the second week of September. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Sujit, for this presentation and clarification of the conference. I'm looking forward, and it will be a great CPD. Thanks you for that.
Thank you.
Thank you for being a part of this important initiative. We truly believe that collective voices across the border can shape the future of global mental health. We look forward to the welcoming you at the fifth annual online conference of Global Psychiatry Association. Let's come together to support mental health in these changing times. See you there. Please save the dates.